Welcome to all of you. In last class we have discussed how we can express any number k in the form of k is equal to m into 10 raised to the power p. Means we can represent any number k in the form of m into 10 raised to the power p, and m must be lies between 1 to 10 and p is some integers. This p is called characteristics. This p is called characteristics. We already discussed in first video of log, so you can check. So p is called characteristics. Okay, next of all, if you take log on both sides, then left hand side become log k is equal to log m into 10 raised to the power p. We can again use the concept of log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Then we can write this complete value as log k is equal to log m plus log 10 raised to the power p here. In each and every case our base is 10, so we can again write this complete value as log m plus p times of, and log 10 base 10 becomes 1. In each and every case we have base value is 10. This value is log k. So if log k is equal to log m plus p is given, then p is called characteristics and log m is called Mantissa. We already discussed in first video. This value is Mantissa and this p is called characteristics. Okay, so if you try to take some example to find the characteristics and Mantissa, so just we have a number 2 3 example. A number is given 2 3 1 5.4. Try to find the characteristics and Mantissa for this number, and first of all try to find the characteristics. So let 2315.4 is a number k, so we can represent this complete number as 2.3154 into 10 raised to the power, you can check 1 2 3, we raised to the power here 3 should be given. So if you compare like k is equal to m into 10 raised to the power p, so you can check this p is equal to 3. P is equal to 3 here, and m is equal to 2.3154, and value of m lies between 1 to 10. It may be equal to 1 but always less than 10. So whenever we find the value of log m, so complete value of log m, this complete value of log m, if our m lies between 1 to 10, then complete value log m lies between 0 to 1, because log 10 base 10 is 1 and log 1 base 10 is 0. So always remember m lies between 1 and 10, then log m lies between 0 and 1. So Mantissa value is always lies between 0 to 1. So Mantissa is log m. So Mantissa of any number lies between 0 to 1. So if you can find the value of characteristics of any number k, then you can easily find the value of log. So we try to find some value of log. How we can find? Let some number is given 378. We take some example how we can find some log value. In example, value is given 378. You need to find the value of log 378 and base value is 10. How we can find this value? Means if log table is given, then use the concept of characteristics. How we can find the characteristics? So you can apply the concept for this one, this part, and you can find the characteristics. For the rest part you can use log table, because log table definitely give. Then you can apply concept of log table and you can easily find the log value. So let us check. We have number 378, so k is equal to 378. So how we can start? Let k is equal to 378. Okay, so what is the characteristics for the given number? We can write 378 is equal to 3.78 into 10 raised to the power 2, because k is equal to, we need to write k is equal to m into 10 raised to the power p. So you can find the value of p. P is called characteristics. So our characteristics for this number is equal to 2. So what we need to do, first write 2 here. So first value is 2. Next, what we need to do, I will show you 1 minute. Next one is write the complete value, like 3, 7 and 8 is given. So how we can find the value after 2? So first write 2, then write point here, and here is log table. In log table you can observe our log table start from 10. If you are able to see, you can check here. Our log table start from 10. I hope this one is visible to you. Give me 1 minute, I will show you. Okay, sorry. Okay, log table start from 10 up to 90. So how we can find the value? We have 3, 7, 8. So these two number is applicable for row. First two number is applicable for row, and this number is applicable for column. In any log table we have rows as well as some column. So what we need to do, actually I am not able to zoom this complete figure. Give me 1 minute, I will show you. Okay, so you can check, we have value 3, 7, 8. So for the first two number like 3 and 7, these two are applicable for row. So you can check, this one is 37th row. I think this figure is visible to you, just above the red line. This one is 37th row. Next one is 8 here. 8 one is applicable for column. So 37th row and 8th column. If you try to find the value in 37th row and 8th column, then you can check this value is 5775. So this Mantissa part is 5775. So how we can find the complete value for log 378 base 10? We find characteristics is equal to 2, and using log table we can find the value of Mantissa, and Mantissa value is 5775. So in this way we can find the value of log 378. If you want to take some other example, so this one is more clear. So give me 1 minute. Before that, please wait. Okay. Okay, next question. If you want to, so what is the value here? Log 378 is equal to 2.5775. So 5, 7, 7 and 5. Similarly, if you want to find the value of log, we can take any value, base 10, and value is, let's say, 182. Okay, log 182 base 10, we need to find the value of log 182 base 10. So as we know, what is the characteristics for this 182? So we can write 182 is equal to 1.82 into 10 raised to the power 2. If you are not able to find the characteristics and Mantissa, so please you may go through the first video and you can easily find the characteristics and Mantissa. This video is based on characteristics and Mantissa. So what is the value of p here? You can check, this value is 2. So first write the value 2, find. Next we need to find the Mantissa part of 182. So we can find the Mantissa of 182 using log table. So 182, what we need to do, first these two number is valid for rows. I already discussed. These two numbers valid for row, and this third one is valid for column. So this one is valid for column. So what we can do for this, check 18th row. So where is 18th row? This one is 18th row, above this line. Okay, 18th row. And which column we need to select? Second column. So this one is second column. So 18th row and second column, I am not sure about this value. I think this value is 2601. So we need to write this complete value is 2 point, and I circle this value 2601. So 2.2601. In this way we can find the log value of any log value. Means 182 is written, so first 2 is applicable for rows, second one is applicable for column. But in case of 4 digit, like if number is given, same example, find the value of log 1, 8, 2 and 4 with base 10, then what is the value? So first we need to find the characteristics. So how we can find characteristics? 1824 can be written as 1.824 into 10 raised to the power 3. So first write 3. So 3 is our characteristics. Next we need to find the, means this one is for characteristics, and next we are trying to find Mantissa. So how we can find the value of Mantissa for 4 digit? So we start from here. Our complete number is 1824. So write first 1, 8, 2 and 4. Listen carefully. If 4 digits are given, then first two is same, applicable for row, third one is applicable for column, and in log table you can check the last fourth one is applicable for mean difference. This one is applicable for mean difference. So you can check in this one is for mean difference. This last mean one is mean difference. Actually we are facing some issue. Okay, so check in this part. So first 1824. So first takes 18th row. So this one is 18th row. So go for 18th row in this way. Okay, we take 18th row, not proper line is there. I think this one is our 18th row. Okay, 18th row. Next second column, means 18th row, second column, fourth mean difference. So 18th row and second column, what is the value? 18th row and second column 2601. So 2601 means this value come from 18th row and second column. 18th row and second column. So if you check 18th row and second column, then we get 2601. Next we need to check mean difference for the fourth row, for the fourth column. So this one is fourth column, you can check here. So in fourth column we can take the value which are in 18th row. So what is the value here? This value is 9. You can check in this row, this value is 9. So first you write 2601, then write 9 here and add these two value. If you add these two value, then 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, so here 1 and 6 and 2. So what is the complete value? 2610. So net answer is 3.2610. So I repeat once more. If any number is given, so this first 18th means 18th row. This 2 means 18th row, second column. This 4 means 18th row, second column. First write the value like 2601. After that take the fourth column in mean difference and add these two value, then you get 2601. So try to solve 1 or 2 more question. After that I think you can easily solve this question. So give me 1 minute. I will give you some more questions related to this. and this time please try to reply. Question is given. Listen, if we have more than 4 digit is there, like log, this type of question is there, log 1 8, same question with one more digit, 1 8 2 4 and 5 with base 10, then first find characteristics. So how we can find characteristics? Characteristics of 1 8 2 4 5. So we can write this complete number is equal to 1.8245 into 10 raised to the power 4. So P is equal to 4. So first write 4 here. So characteristics is 4. In second part, you need to find the Mantissa value. So how we can find the Mantissa? So we can write this complete value. First write 1, 8, 2 here, 4 here and 5 here. This means very easy this time. 18th row, second column. So first find the value of 18th row and second column. So you can check, I will zoom this complete figure. Okay, so 18th row and second column. So what is the value 18th row and second column? 2601. You can check here 2601. So write first 2601. Again 4 is applicable for mean difference table. So we need to check 18th row and 4th mean difference column. So what is the value in 18th row and 4th mean difference? 9. So this one is 9. Add these two values. So 9 plus 1 10. Here we get 1 6 and 2. So net value is 2610. So you can write directly 2610. We can exclude this value. Our answer is unchanged, means our answer remains same. In this way, if more than 4 digits are there, then no need to go for after 4 digit, just consider starting 4 digit. First 2 is applicable for row, third one is applicable for column and fourth one is applicable for mean difference. Try to find 18th row second column, then we get 2601. For this mean difference 4, find the value and add with the previous one and we get the complete value. So this complete value is equal to 4.2610. I hope this one is clear. One last question related to log, how we can find this value. So if question is given, find the value of log 3165 with base 10. So how we can find the value? So first try to find the characteristics of 3165. So 3165 can be written as 3.165 into 10 raised to the power 3. So P is equal to 3. So first write 3 here, point. First part done. In second part, you can check 3, 1, 6 and 5 is given. So this 3, 1 means 31th row. So 31th row. 6 means 6th column. So first find the value of 31th row and 6th column. So how we can find? Here is 31th row and 6th column. So I said below line. Okay. So 31th row and 6th column, you can check this is the 6th column first. 4997. So first write 4997. Next check for the 5th column. So what is in the 5th column? This one is 5th column for us. So in 5th column we have value 7. So write here 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10 and this one is 5. So our net value is 3.5004. So in this way you can find the value of any log using the log table. First find characteristics, after that find the Mantissa. For the Mantissa part, first 2 is valid for row, third one is valid for column and last one is valid for mean difference. So try to find some more value by yourself. So thank you. Next we will try to find how we can find the value of anti-log. In your exam you need to find the value of anti-log, but in some exam our anti-log table is not given. So how we can find the value, I will show you. Okay, so similarly we will try to find how to find the value of antilog. For this, suppose any number is given, like some log value is given, from how to find the value of antilog. This one is again very important. So how to find the value of antilog, how to find value of antilog. Any number is given in this way, and we can again use the concept of anti-log table, but for each and every question no need to write or use the anti-log table if you are able to remember 3 or 4 value of log. So using only 3 or 4 value you are able to, or you can find any anti-log value. So I will show you how we can apply the concept for the anti-log. So for this, give me 1 minute only. Sorry, give me 1 minute please. Okay, so first try to find the some basic log value. Like for this we need to use 1 or 2 concept. There are 2 different types of log. First log is log with base e. Any number is given, log n base e, and second one is log n with base 10. So what is the difference and what is the relation between these two? If log n base 10 is given, then this log is called common logarithm. This one is called common logarithm. Any log with base 10 is called common logarithm, and any log with base e is called natural logarithm. This one is called natural log. E is some mathematical constant, and what is the relation between these two? We can find log n base e is equal to 2.303 times of log base 10. One more thing, log base e can easily written by ln n. If ln is written, this means our base value is n. If nothing is written, like direct log n is written, then automatic you can check our base value is 10, and relation between these two is log n base e is equal to 2.303 into log n base 10. First thing, this one is very important. Second one is these 2 or 3 formula we have discussed in last videos. Log a into b. If nothing is written, then base value is 10. So we can write this one as log a plus log b. Third one is log a divided upon b is equal to log a minus log b. Fourth one is log of a raised to the power b can be written as b times of log a. And last, fifth one is we can find the value log a raised to the power b, and suppose some m is given, these are at one point. Okay, so this complete value is equal to 1 upon b and log m, and base is a. So to find the value of anti-log, these all formula are important. After that, we have discussed how we can find the value of log, like we can find the value of log 1. So try to remember 2 or 3 value. So one by one we will try to find some log value and how we can find the value of anti-log with the concept of log. First one is log 1. So what is the value of log 1? So log 1 is equal to 0. Log 1 with base anything is 0. In this formula, in each and every case our base value is 10. If nothing is written, then base value is 10. First one. Second, similarly log 2, again we can find the value of log 3. So what is the value of log 3? What is the value of log 4? One by one we will find. So log 3, fourth one is log 4, fifth one is log 5, sixth one is log 6, seventh one is log 7, next one is log 8, Next one is log 9, because as we know log 10 is equal to 10. You need to remember the value of log 2. Log 2 is equal to 0.3, not exact 0.3, 0.29 something, but if you put the value like 0.3, then your answer will be correct. Definitely I will apply this one, so don't worry. 0.3. So if you know the value of log 2, so using the value of log 2 we can easily find the value of log 4, because log 4 can be written as log 2 raised to the power 2, log 2 raised to the power 2, or 2 times of log 2. So 2 times of 0.3 is equal to 0.6. For this we use the proof of fourth formula. I hope this one is clear. So if you remember the second formula, then you can easily derive the fourth one. Next, using the concept of log 2, you can find the value of log 8 also. So we can write log 2 raised to the power 3. So what is the formula? Log a raised to the power b is equal to b times of log a. So we can write 3 times of log 2, and log 2 is equal to 0.3. So 3 into 0.3 is equal to 0.9. So we can find all the three value 2, 4 and 8. Next, the value of log 3, I use some different color for log 3. Log 3 is equal to, you can remember this value, 0.47. So once you remember the value of log 2 and log 3, you can easily find the value of log 6 can be written as log 2 into 3, or this value can be written as log 2 plus log 3. So you know the value of log 2 as well as you know the value of log 3. So if you add these two value, then we get log 6. So what is the value of log 6? 0.47 plus 0.3. So 0.77. 0.77. You need to remember the value of log 5 also. So log 5 is equal to 0.7. You can remember this value, log 5 is equal to 0.7. Log 7 is equal to 0.85. You can remember these two value, 0.85. Log 9 can be written as log 3 raised to the power 2, or 2 times of log 3, or log 3 is equal to 0.47. So 2 times of 0.47 is nearly equal to 0.95. I have discussed log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4. If m vary from 1 to 9 or 10, we can say, then our log value is vary from 0 to 1. You can observe from this one, 0 to 0.95. So first of all, try to remember this all formula or this all value. Once you remember these two, you can find the anti-log of any number. So I give some example question how we can find the value of anti-log using only this concept. So question is given, find the anti-log of, anti-log is written as anti-log of 4.3, anti-log of 4.3. We can use the concept of log and anti-log in chemistry also, like how we can find the concentration of hydrogen ion in this type of question. So in chemistry this one is more applicable. So anti-log of 4.3, we can write the complete value as anti-log, first write anti-log here. And as we know, log and anti-log both are means opposite to each other. So we can break the value 4 as 4 plus 0.3. First step, try to break the value 4 plus 0.3. Whenever the question is given to you, always question is given in a standard form. Next one is anti-log. Try to find the value which are written in the close bracket in form of log. So how we can write 4 in terms of log with base 10? So we can write 4 is equal to log 10 into log 10 raised to the power 4 with base 10. And what is the value of 0.3? You can check, 0.3 is log 2. So we can write log 2. I already discussed, no need to write the base value 10 each and every time, but this time you can write here. So what is the formula of log n, log m plus log n? We can write this complete formula is equal to, first write antilog. So here we write antilog, and after that, sorry, some issue is there, lagging issue I think. So we can write first antilog of, first write antilog, and what is the value of this complete log? We can write log 2 into 10 raised to the power 4 using this formula, log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. So next step, this antilog and this log both are reciprocal, so we can cancel these two value. So these two will cancel each other, so net answer is 2 into 10 raised to the power 4. So this one is the value of antilog 4.3. If you want to find the value of log 2 into 10 to the power 4, then we get the same value here. So these two are reciprocal. Similarly, we can find the value of some more question. So one by one we will try to find some value. So suppose question is given, in question, find the antilog of 37.29. 37.29. So break this complete value in two parts. So we can write this antilog, and we can write this one as antilog. First write antilog 37 plus 0.29. 37.0.29 here. Okay. So what is the value of, how we can write 37 in form of log? So we can write 37 is equal to log and 10 raised to the power 37, and with base 10 plus 0.29 is nearly equal to 0.3. So in place of 0.29 we can use the log 2 value here. You can check here log 2. You can put the value of 0.29 is equal to log 2, no error will come definitely. So next, this value is log 2. So complete value is equal to antilog, and this value is log, and log m plus log n is equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power 37. So log and antilog both will cancel each other, then we get some value which is equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power 37 is the right answer. So in this way we can find the value of antilog. So these all antilog value are in positive form, but we can also find the value of antilog for negative number. So how we can find the value in negative? So we will try to solve one question. So question is given, in this case question is given antilog of some negative value, you can say by yourself, antilog of minus 5.7, minus 5.7. So we can write this complete value as antilog, first write antilog here, and we need to break the minus 5.7 in such a way that we can't write like minus 5 plus 0.7, because if you write minus 5 minus 0.7, then our Mantissa value will negative, but we need to put the Mantissa value between 0 and 1. So we need to break like minus 6 plus 0.3. You can check these two summation is equal to minus 5.7. This term is very important for this one. This value is Mantissa value, and Mantissa value must lies between 0 and 1, and this one is our characteristics, and our characteristics may lies between characteristics is any integer. It may be positive, may be negative. So next we can write, next step, antilog, and how we can write minus 6 in log form? So need to write log 10 raised to the power minus 6 plus in place of 0.3 again we need to select which value, log 3, 0.3 is log 2. So right here replace the value of 0.3 by log 2. So right here log 2, log 2. In next step write antilog first, and next one is log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. So we need to write log 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So log and antilog both will cancel each other. So our net answer is 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 is the correct answer. So in this way you can apply the concept of log table. So first log table, using the log table you can find the log value, and using some value from log 1 to log 9 you can easily find the value of this. One more thing, our log table starts from 11, 10, 11. So how we can find the value of log 2? We can check the 20th row and 0 column for the log 2. For log 3 we need to check 13th row and 0 column. So these all are again some important portions, so definitely I will cover these all topic. So thank you everyone. Again if you have any doubt you may ask, and before that you can take the screenshot for this whole part because this complete one is very important. So this one is for how to find the value of antilog, and these are some questions, and this first one is how to find the value of log. So you can check for the log we use row, column and mean difference. And what is the meaning of row, column and mean difference? I hope everything is clear. So thank you everyone, and please like, subscribe, share. See you in next video.